ng psychological evaluation o test para mapatunayan ang psychological violence. Falling in love and marrying the person you love is generally celebrated as a wonderful thing. Generally, we all know and the reality saddens us that sometimes marriages do not always turn out in the way we hope. Mas mahirap lalo if the spouse is a shameless womanizer who had a child with this other woman and even flaunts his extramarital relationship on social media. Let's hope you're not a victim of this. But if you are, there's this Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Act. So, nag-file ka ng kaso, specifically for psychological violence because of everything that he did to you. But your husband, high and mighty, tells you, matatalo ka dito, sabi mo may psychological violence, wala ka namang psychological testing, walang psychological report na nagpapatunay ng psychological violence. Nagsasayang ka lang ng oras, sinindak ka at minamaliit yung kaso mo. The Supreme Court in one case said no. A psychological evaluation is not indispensable in proving the infliction of psychological violence under the Anti-Vowsy Law. Simplihan natin, sabi ng Korte Suprema, kahit wala kang psychological evaluation, mapapatunayan mo pa rin na nag-inflict ng psychological violence ang asawa o partner mo. The Supreme Court said, a psychological evaluation is not a requirement of the law. It is not an element of the offense. Requiring it has no basis in law and jurisprudence. Ano ang importante according to the Supreme Court? Importanteng mapatunayan mo ang emotional anguish and mental suffering that resulted from the acts of your husband. Paano mo ito mapapatunayan? Though difficult, and maybe you had wanted to forgive, but you have to reach deeply into your heart and mind. Ano ba ang ginawa niya sa'yo? Ano ba ang naging dulot nito sa'yo? Your pain is yours, so as long as your statements are truthful and honest, and you are assisted by a lawyer who can bring out the whole picture, then you shouldn't have any problem. And you can tell your husband, hindi mo ba alam, a psychological evaluation has no basis in law and jurisprudence. Keep that in mind, and it could come in handy. If you learned something from this video, like and share so we can help others who are similarly situated.